Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a group chat in Instagram. So let's go to Instagram, go to your messaging feature, direct. Okay, so to make a group chat you just have to click on the top right side corner, click the plus button and select whomever you want to add to this group. Okay, so yep, and write whatever you want to write. Okay, once you send this message you have the option to name this group. So let's put some name. Okay, so this is it guys. Likewise you can create a group in Instagram. Thanks for watching the video.